Hello, my fellow educators. Here with me again, Amor Indri Pawoko, postgraduate student of Unindra. Have you ever wondered what makes communicative language teaching so effective in ELT classroom? In this video, I'll share insights on how to make communicative language teaching truly successful. It all starts with one key idea. Communication is the goal. This video consists of 3 parts. To begin with, I'm going to show you the key principles of CLT or communicative language teaching. And moving on to the next part, I'll share with you classroom practice of CLT in ELT. And to conclude my video, I'll make a brief summary of CLT in ELT classroom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now let's start with the key principle of CLT. So, what are they? As you can see on the slide, the key principles of CLT include: the first and the most important is focus on communication. It means we have to focus on real-life communication. Students practice using language in meaningful ways, such as role plays, discussion, or problem-solving tasks. Build confidence and fluency through activities like asking and answering questions, expressing opinions, or giving advice. The next principle is applying learner-centered approach. Successful CLT puts students at the center of the learning process. The teacher serves only as facilitator, guiding students as they actively participate and collaborate. Activities should be tailored to match their interests and proficiency levels. Then, don't forget to integrate the 4 skills. In CLT, listening, speaking, reading, and writing should be integrated. For example, students might write a dialogue and then act it out. This holistic approach mimics real-world communication. Next, it is important to use authentic materials. Authentic materials like news articles, podcasts, or restaurant menus are crucial. They expose students to natural language and cultural context, preparing them for real-life interactions. Furthermore, encourage task-based learning. Task-based learning gives students a clear goal, like planning a trip or conducting an interview. These tasks encourage meaningful language use and problem-solving while keeping students engaged. Then, remember about error tolerance and giving feedback. In CLT, mistakes should be seen as part of the learning process. Teachers provide feedback that helps improve fluency and accuracy without discouraging students from trying. In addition, promote collaborative learning. Pair and group work are central to CLT. Activities like debates or peer reviews not only improve language skills, but also foster teamwork and collaboration. The last but not least is continuous assessment. Continuous assessment through activities like presentations or group discussions helps track progress. Teachers can adapt their strategies to meet students' evolving needs. So, how do we bring these principles into the ELT classroom practice? We can adopt some of the following sample activities. The first one is role play. For example, students act as tourists and locals in a travel agency scenario. One student plays as a tourist asking for recommendations for places to visit, while another as a travel agent offering suggestions. The focus is on using functional language, like asking and answering questions, expressing opinions, and giving advice. We can also have information gap activities. For example, find the difference activity. Students work in pairs, each having slightly different variants of a picture. They must describe the pictures to each other to identify the differences. This promotes the use of descriptive language, question formation, and listening skills. Next, we can give task-based projects. For example, we can give planned a party activity. Students work in groups to plan a party. They discuss the theme, create a guest list, decide on the menu, and prepare an invitation. The task involves decision-making, negotiation, and collaboration that foster authentic language use. Then, why not having agree or disagree activity? Students are given controversial statements like, technology is destroying communication skills. They discuss in pairs or groups, presenting arguments for or against the statement. This way, it will enhance critical thinking, fluency, and the ability to articulate opinion. Another activity is interviews and surveys. For example, you can have classroom survey activity. Students create a survey on topics like hobbies, favorite food, or travel experiences. They interview classmates and later present the findings to the class. This integrates speaking, listening, and presenting skills. We might ask our students to do listening for a purpose. For example, listening to announcements. Students listen to airport or train station announcements and extract specific information like flight delays or departure times. This focuses on developing listening comprehension in real-world contexts. Those are the CLT activities in the ALT classroom. Finally, to conclude my video, again I'll emphasize that CLT will transform the classroom into an interactive, student-centered environment that mirrors real-world communication. And CLT will also equip students with the skills they need to communicate in English effectively and confidently. So, are you ready to make your ELT classroom a success? Start focusing on communication, collaboration, and creativity today. Well, that's all for now. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Thank you very much.